In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Slack. Before we begin, it's important to understand that deleting a Slack workspace is permanent. This removes the workspace's message history, files, member information, and connected activity for the entire organization. It's not something you can undo later, so only move forward if you are absolutely sure. Also, this can only be done by the primary workspace owner. If you're an admin or regular member, you won't have access to this option. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or sign into your workspace through a desktop web browser. Once you're inside the workspace, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on your workspace name in the sidebar. This will open the main drop-down menu. From there, look for either Tools and Settings or Administration, depending on the version you see, and then click Workspace Settings. This will open the Workspace Settings page in your web browser. Once the Settings page loads, make sure you're on the Main Settings tab. This is where Slack keeps the core workspace controls. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the lower section, you'll find an area that contains advanced and sensitive options. Look for the section labeled Delete Workspace. Like when you find it, click the red Delete Workspace option. At this point, Slack will verify that your account has the proper permissions. If you're the primary workspace owner, you'll be taken to a final warning page. This page is designed to make sure you fully understand that the deletion is permanent and that all workspace data will be erased. On that confirmation screen, check the box acknowledging that you understand the consequences of deleting the workspace. And after that, click into the password field and enter your current Slack account password to confirm your identity. Then click the Confirm Password button to continue. Once your password is accepted, Slack will show one final red confirmation button that says, "Yes, delete my workspace." If you are completely sure, click that button. As soon as you do, Slack will begin the deletion process. The workspace will be disconnected, all members will lose access, and the workspace will be permanently removed. After that, your browser will return you to the main Slack homepage, which lets you know the workspace is no longer active. And that's it. That's how to delete a workspace in Slack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.